In today's video, we're talking about the best action camera for fishing and hunting. Action cameras are a great way to capture your most memorable moments while fishing or hunting. There are a lot of things that go into choosing an action cam, but there's one thing in particular that separates these cameras from the rest: how well it performs when it's wet or submerged. So let me show you what to look out for when buying your next fishing or hunting companion. I'll leave the links to discussed action cameras in the description. You can check them for more information and the latest prices. Starting our list with GoPro Hero 7 Black. When you're looking for the best action camera for hunting or fishing, the GoPro Hero 7 Black should be your first choice. The two features that make this camera ideal for hunting and fishing are the latest Hero 7 featuring new hyper-smooth video stabilization and streaming features. Second, it is rugged, compact, and fully waterproof and is perfect for any adventure like hunting or fishing. Without housing, it can resist water up to 33 feet, so the action camera could also be used for fishing. Using the new Hyper Smooth, your movements will be predicted and corrected when the camera shakes. This ensures smooth, steady, and top-notch video. Although this camera is without a gimbal, you're going to get a gimbal-like recording since it has built-in Hyper Smooth image stabilization. Video features include 4K at 60 frames per second footage and 12 megapixels photos, which can be captured in different modes like burst, time-lapse, and single. Furthermore, the camera also has an ultra-high frame rate of 1080p at 240 frames per second video. It gives you the option to slow the video's motion by up to 8x to recapture interesting, epic, or funny moments in your adventure. Hero 7 Black has a built-in voice control feature as well. It's a wonderful invention that will help you create preset orders while you're shooting. Finally, you don't need any extra effort to record your hunting with this Hero 7. This is easy to adapt to whatever weapon is being used. You can adjust camera zoom by just touching the screen. With that said, take a look at the camera, surely it's worth having. At number 2, it's GoPro Hero 5 Black. It has already been stated that GoPro products are becoming mandatory items for any action activities, including fishing and hunting. GoPro Hero 5 Black is the best waterproof, convenient, and durable cam for hunting and fishing. This would be perfect if you want to get the perfect shot while you are fishing. The excellent build quality and design make it waterproof without using additional waterproof casing. For those who like fishing or hunting during the night, this action camera features built-in night photo and night lapse modes. The stabilization quality of Hero 5 is outstanding. You mount it on your body, hold in hand and run, or mount it on your helmet. Nothing will hold it back to capture high quality and smooth video because of the hyper image stabilization feature. The GoPro Hero 5 Session is equipped with a larger sensor of 10 megapixels for better photo quality. Its hyper-smooth video stabilization allows the camera to capture stable videos without holding the camera very steady in the hands. Furthermore, the quality of the video is stunning. You can capture videos at different dimensions and frames rates. For example, you can record 4K at 30 fps, 2.7K at 60 fps, 1080p at 120 frames per second, and 720p at 240 frames per second. It also can support an external microphone and offers to capture time-lapse at different intervals as well. You can connect the camera with the mobile devices using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. At number 3, it's Tacticam 5.0 Bow Hunting Action Camera. The Tacticam 5.0 camera is genuinely built with hunters in mind and is a full package of hunting gear. This is a great bow-mounted camera that includes a gun mount that mounts your camera tightly onto your gun, crossbow, bow, shotgun, rifle, and scope to offer stable filming. It can capture 4K at 30 fps, 1080 at 120 fps, and 720 at 240 fps. Furthermore, this camera has a unique lens design instead of the traditional fisheye lens and offers an 8x zoom. The Tacticam video camera is a useful resource for hunters because of its ability to draw animals between 75 and 100 yards closer with its accurate and consistent video feed. Using the Tacticam app on your smartphone, you can turn on and off the action camera directly from the app. It has built-in image stabilization software. The camera is waterproof, that makes it perfect for any weather condition. It comes with a stabilizer mount that can be used with a crossbow, bow, or any type of hunting weapon that weighs only 4.4 ounces. The battery life is around 2.5 hours with lithium rechargeable batteries that allow you to shoot as long as 2.5 hours, a charging USB 2.0 connection that is both compatible with Mac and PC, and has an HDMI port. Besides the camera, you will get the mount, a 64 GB micro SD, a rechargeable battery, a USB charger with a wall adapter, a lens cleaning cloth, and a user's manual. If you're looking for an action camera solely designed for hunting, this might be your best companion. At number 4, it's LidCam Hunting Action Camera. The new LidCam LCWF makes hunting easier and more efficient with all the stages of the hunt captured while making the trip smoother and more enjoyable. This camera is used best for hunting, fishing, or other outdoor activities. The LidCam is easy to mount, so you won't have to worry about it adding an unnecessary burden to your hunting experience. The action camera can be mounted to a bow, gun, or hat. Therefore, it is perfect for both gun and bow hunting. It features a fully 1080p full-resolution lens for capturing high-quality footage of hunting or fishing. Additionally to the camera's 1 to 4x zoom capability, it can capture distance images precisely. This wide-angle lens ensures you capture your entire field of vision, ensuring the best possible shot. LidCams come with a replaceable and rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which can run up to 3 hours of operation or 8 hours of standby time. The camera also includes a wind noise-reducing microphone that produces high-quality audio. At number 5, it's a Casio V50 Pro action camera. This camera offers several features that make shooting in outdoor sports easy and elegant. Now let's see what it has to offer. A Casio V50 Pro sports camera's advanced electronic image stabilization delivers smooth and steady videos up to 4K at 30 FPS. It ensures an excellent shooting experience when shooting fast-moving objects. This camera has an additional external waterproof housing that is water-resistant up to 98 feet underwater. The V50 Pro is powered by 1100 mAh battery that will last up to 4 hours. You can control the camera using your smartphone through the Wi-Fi connectivity of this hunting action camera. You can control it wirelessly from a distance of up to 33 feet. In addition to the camera, Smart Pro Plus software can be downloaded to your smartphone. With this software, you can easily pair your camera with your smartphone. The angle of view of this action camera can be adjusted between super wide, medium, and narrow, depending on your needs. Furthermore, this action camera offers distortion calibration, which improves image distortion. This makes it one of the best action cameras since you need to move fast while hunting. And the final surprising thing about this last discussed camera is its lowest price. That said, if you're looking for the best budget action camera for hunting and fishing, a Casio V50 is an ideal choice. And with that, we come to the end of our review. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have a question or comment, please leave it below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. We're happy to answer any of your questions about what makes the best action camera for fishing and hunting.